beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we are going to do a nothing new makeup tutorial. I'll be using all my favorite products to create this look, and I have used a combination of Drugstore and I think the only item I used on my video today, which was high-end, was my lipstick, but the rest was from Drugstore. So the moral of this video is to basically tell you that you can create any kind of look using any kind of products you have. It doesn't have to be high-end always. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. So I have already done my skin prep. I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer, and it's in the shade M900 Perfect Beige. I'm going to use this concealer today for my eyeshadow base. I'm also going to apply it around my eyebrow area because I want to make sure that the concealer is blended nicely around my eyebrow area and the skin doesn't look patchy. So I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender and blend it all around my eye area. Next, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Brow Gel in the shade Brown, and I'm going to do my eyebrows with that. Recently, I have been loving this product. Usually, I hate it when the gel products dry out, but this is my go-to. I have been using it since summer, and I am absolutely loving this product. I always used to use the brow pencils as well. The one which I really love and would recommend is the one from Covergirl. It's called Easy Breezy Brow Pencil, and the one from e.l.f. in the shade Dark Brown. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Venus 3. I received this palette in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and the shade which I'm going to use for today's look is called Beam. It's kind of like a purplish shimmery shade, and Dreamy, it's kind of like a matte pink shade. So I'm going to use these two shades to create today's look. This palette is super pigmented and I was feeling kind of like pinkish purplish vibes today, so I was like, why not? Let me try something different on my channel. And for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Line Stiletto Ultimate Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. I remember I used to use this particular eyeliner all the time I started using makeup. So if you're somebody who's looking for a really affordable product, really nice quality, definitely try this out. This particular eyeliner has a shiny finish to it. I'm pretty sure there are some matte finish eyeliners available for you guys at Maybelline as well. I haven't tried any, however I will go and check out if there's any matte finish eyeliners available. For face primer today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and as if you're somebody who's actually following me really closely on my channel, you must have noticed that this is one of the primers which I have used a lot on all my videos. So if you're somebody who's actually looking for a great face primer, this is the one I would definitely recommend. Let me know if there are some others you have tried and you have absolutely loved it. I would love to try anything new and see how it works on my skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Loreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear, and it's in the shade 495. So if you're somebody who does not like really thick and full coverage foundation, this is one of the foundations which I would highly recommend. I know my mom, my sisters, they don't like using really thick and really full coverage foundation. So this is the one I would recommend to anybody who's looking for a really nice thin consistency foundation. The best part about this foundation is that if you could wear it during the daytime or nighttime, and if you want to make it full coverage, you could definitely apply a little setting powder right over your skin and then apply the foundation on top. Next, I'm going to go in with the Undercover Concealer again, and I'm just going to apply it around the areas of my face where I want it to look highlighted. So right underneath my eye area, my forehead, on top of my nose, my cupid's bone, and also my chin area. I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and I'm going to grab the shade Dreamy from the same eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply it right on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade Beam, which is a really shiny purple shade, and I'm going to apply it right in the inner corners of my eyes as well. I feel like this eyeshadow technique gives the whole look a really beautiful finish. I am looking for a black eyeliner pencil, which I'm going to use on my lower lash line. However, I want it not to smudge. Let me know if you guys have any recommendation. I would definitely love to try it. I know there are some waterproof ones available, but if you have already used it and you know that it works, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I would love to try it. For setting powder today, I'm using the one from NYX Cant Won't Stop setting powder, and it's in the shade Banana. I'm using a fluffy brush, grabbing the sun product, and I'm dabbing it right underneath my eye area and around the places which I highlighted with my concealer. For blush, highlight, and bronzer, I'm using the Covergirl Trublend Serving Sculpt palette, and it is in the shade, or in the pack, fair to light skin tones, and it's called Bloom Babe. So I'm using the bronzer, and I'm basically dabbing it right around my cheek area and the circumference of my face, and I'm going to use the light pink highlighter shade and basically dab it right on top of my cheekbones and my nose area. So for lipstick today, I'm going to use the liquid matte lipstick from Huda Beauty, and it's in the shade Muse. I feel like it went really nicely with the whole look. I really wanted to keep my lip a little bit subtle, a little lighter color than my eyeshadow, so I feel it went really nicely with this whole look. For setting spray today, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and I'm going to apply it all over my face so the makeup stays put together the whole day. So guys, this is the whole look. Thank you so much for watching till the end with me, and if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.